Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mona Lisa, and welcome to a little bit of everything. This channel I do DIYs, anything home related, home decor, organization. I also will be doing more reviews and more faith videos and inspirational, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and click the little bell right next to it so that you're notified every time I upload. So today's video is going to be a review. I'm going to start a series on my channel where I review products that I think you guys might enjoy, so that you'll know if it's worth spending your money on it or not. This video is going to be regarding a planner. I was on the market for a planner, then I got contacted by a company to review this planner. It is not a sponsored video. I'm not paid to say what I'm saying. It's just an honest review of what I think in my experience with a planner. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see a plan with me video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check the description box for the coupon code that I have for you guys for 30% off till June 10th, I believe, but I'll have all the information. I can't think of it right now. So if you guys want to see what it is, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, this is what the website looks like, personalplanner.com. You can do planners, wallpaper, notebook. You can design other things as well. And these are the planners with the different shapes and sizes. And I picked the A4, which was $59.95. They have some new designs available that you could choose from. And these are some of them here. As you can see, you can have, they have very masculine ones, very girly ones, and I ended up going with this one. Next, you can customize the way you want that to be presented, and you can also add your name to the front as well as the date, and I chose to do that, and I put it in the corner bottom right. You can position that as well and change the color. So then I also decided to change the color of the back of the planner and keep the same picture that I had before. Everything is very intuitive. It's not very hard to use this website at all. It's very user-friendly. You can zoom in and see how everything looks, and also pick the color of the border at the top of the pages, and just pick something that goes with, the picture that you want. It comes with a little ruler. I picked a pink ruler, but again, the colors are up to you. And I decided to line my pages, and you can pick the colors of the lines or keep them the same or have no lines at all. Next, it was time to add the additional little tabs at the bottom, I guess I would call them. So I picked something for like workouts, something for ideas and to-dos, because that was more personal to me. Next, you can add 3 sections for the back pages, and I chose to go with the maps, notes, like a notepad, and a overview of the following year, but they have a lot of other options for that as well. There's also a personalized message that you can put up front. I didn't change it. It came with one already, so I just kept that. And then you just get a final look at your planner to see if everything's good, and you put it in your cart. Now, this is what it looked like when it came. I was really impressed with it in first impression. The quality is bar none. It's beautiful. It's heavy duty. It has a protective cover on either side, and also a section where you can attach that elastic band that keeps it all together. And the front page is a glossy page, and everything looks just like it did on the website. So as you can see, this is what the printing looks like. It's very matte and very beautifully printed. So all my sections are there, and there's also a little overview of the following month, and these are all the pages. For each month, you do have a monthly overview, and the holidays are pre-printed. And this layout again was personalized to me. And this is the month overview, where you can just kind of see what's happening in your month, and you have a section to add some notes, and then you can go into your individual days. On the back, these are the maps that they had. They pretty much had the maps of the whole world and an overview of the year and also some notes. So this is the planner. I'm really happy with it. It also has these as accessories. You have this clear plastic pouch, and it can be attached to the rings. This is the ruler that you can detach and reattach as needed. And these are the stickers that it came with. It was a full page of stickers. You have emojis, you have holiday and travel ones, and you also have some banners in different colors. So I thought that was really nice. And that's pretty much everything that this came with. So stay tuned for my final thoughts. Alright, I'm back and these are my final thoughts. 3 positives. Number 1, the quality. This product is super high quality. I give it a 2 thumbs up, 5 stars. It's bar none, it's beautiful. Pages are really thick. The cover is really nice. It's got a nice glossy cover. It's beautiful. Printing quality is great. So I give it a 2 thumbs up. Number 2, it's great for a beginner. If you're a beginner and you've never planned before, this is great. You can still be creative without having to come up with the creativity. So because everything is picked out for you, you just have to pick and choose, and you can like have nice color scheme and a beautiful looking planner. Number 3, this product is fully customizable to your lifestyle. For me, being a stay-at-home mom, army wife, where I'm running everything by myself, I have appointments, you know, I'm a YouTuber, I have weight to lose, I have all this stuff happening. It's really hard to find a planner that's going to accommodate all these different things. So to be able to fit all of that into your planner and have it be exactly how you want it to look is just, you can't beat it. So to me, that is amazing. The 3 negatives, number 1 was the shipping. Shipping took a little bit long. Took 2 weeks to get here to me, or specifically 12 days. However, it is a product that's being made specifically for me, so I understand that it will take a little bit of time, but in the age of Amazon Prime ruins it for everyone. Everything just comes so quickly, and so the shipping was a negative for me, but you know, having to wait a little bit for something good is always worth it. Number 2, the price. The price, it was $60, I think, for the planner that I purchased, which is the largest one. It's a beautiful planner. I think it's worth the money, but it's not affordable for everyone. I think a lot of people who would want or need or use something like this will not be able to pay that much money for a planner. And number 3, third negative, will be the accessories. The accessories that came with it, I didn't feel like there was enough accessories. I was happy that it came with anything at all, but I felt like for the price it should have came with a little bit more stuff, maybe more stickers. I know it came with the pouch, a ruler, like a page marker, like an elastic thing that would keep the thing together. It came with some stuff, but I felt like it could have came with more, maybe more stickers to be a little bit more creative, because I don't think those stickers would last the entire year. So maybe enough accessories for the whole year, just so you feel like that money that you're spending is really well worth it. Other than that, my final overall thought is that this planner is great. I absolutely love it. I will be using it regularly, and if you guys want to see like a planner with me video, let me know in the comments. I'm not sure what that would look like, but I wouldn't mind trying if you guys are interested. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the review series, give it a thumbs up. If you have anything you want me to review, let me know also below. And that's it. Follow me on Instagram if you don't, because that's where I post most of the stuff happening in my life, even if I'm not posting videos. And without, well, I think that's it. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. God bless. Bye.